Hey guys, and welcome back to my CCNA 200-301 course. Patrice is here, and in this video we are going to talk about JSON. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before I can jump on JSON concepts, I need to talk about different data types. In programming world, we need to deal with different types of information. Sometimes it's just a string, sometimes it's a date with the date format, sometimes it's a number, sometimes it's a combination of these things, etc., etc. And these different type of information actually represents by different types of data or data types, and depends on the programming language you use. These programming languages support different types of data. And for Python, which is the main programming language for network automation, we have these different built-in data types, as you can see in W3 School's website, which is pretty informative website that you can use. So for example, to be able to represent the strings in Python, we use str data types, which stands for string. For numeric values, we use integers, float, or complex. For sequence type, we use list, tuples, or ranges. And for mapping type, we use dictionary, and etc. and etc. And you can see an example of each of these data types here. So just a normal string, hello world, an integer, a floating point number, a complex number, which includes a number and a string. And also for list, you can see apple, banana, cherry. And then in your programming language, you can deal with these different items, fetch them, insert them into the list, etc., etc. And so these are the things that we need to use to fetch the information from our networking gear or configure them based on these type of information we deliver to the device through programming languages. JSON, or some people pronounce it like name Json, stands for JavaScript Object Notation. And as the name shows, it comes from JavaScript word, which is a scripting language for World Wide Web. And based on the official definition of JSON, it is a data exchange format, a text-based one, which is both human readable and also easy to parse and generate by machines. And this protocol or data representation format is being defined in RFC 8259. And you can read more about it in the reference you can see in the slide. Now let's see, how does a JSON file look like? A JSON file is basically a set of key value pairs that are rendered inside curly braces and square brackets. And each key value pair is separated by a comma, as you can see in the slide. And the key values can be a string, can be a number, can be an object, can be an array, can be a boolean value, or it can be null. We saw JSON in action in the previous video, but to just do a quick recap, I fetched another information from Cisco Always On. At the moment, it looks like no switch is available in that deployment, so the output was empty. So I fetched another information from that deployment, which is the different security threat types it is deployed there. So as you can see here, the JSON format is something actually key value pairs that have been rendered inside curly braces and square brackets. And each item is a key value pair, and they got separated by commas. So this is how JSON formats the data to be human readable and also can be parsed and generated easily by systems. As you go more and more into network programming stuff, you'll figure out JSON is a very flexible data exchange format that you can deal with it and you can pass it through different platforms and programming languages. Alright guys, this was our today's video, nice and quick. In today's video, we covered data encoding part of exam topic 6.5 and also exam topic 6.7, recognize components of JSON encoded data. And in the upcoming video, I'll be talking about automation platforms. I wish you enjoyed today's video and see you in the next ones.